Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all people are doing very well. You are safe, inshallah. First of all, we should revise our previous lecture, that was ports, expansion slots and expansion cards. What was the ports? Ports is an interface for connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. There are various type of ports for connecting keyboards, mouse, monitor, microphones and speakers. Clear? Then we revise expansion slots. Expansion slots are long, narrow sockets on the motherboard for installing expansion cards. What are the expansion cards? Expansion cards are small circuit boards. These cards add new capabilities to the computers. Commonly used expansion cards are sound cards, graphic cards, modem cards and network card. In modern computers, these cards are built in the motherboard. Clear? That was the small recap of your previous lecture. Clear? Now today's topic is basic operations of computer. What are the basic operations of computer? Now I am removing this and going to tell you girls what are the basic functions of computer. So what are the basic functions? Basic functions are input operations, processing operations, storage operations and output operations. Clear? I am drawing a diagram. Basic functions are input, then process, here, and then output. Process इंफॉर्मेशन क्या करते हैं हम, कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन इनपुट करते हैं, वो कंप्यूटर प्रोसेस करता है, फिर हमें उसकी आउटपुट देता है. प्रोसेस के साथ साथ ये क्या करता है, इट कैन ऑल्सो बी स्टोर द डेटा. स्टोर द डेटा इन स्टोरेज डिवाइस. Storage device. Clear? What are the basic functions of computer? Basic operations of a computer is input, process and output. Clear? Input. I am writing the main heads of basic operations of computer here. Basic operations of a computer. Clear? What are the basic operations? Input operations. First one is input. Operation. Second one is processing operation. Processing operation. And third one is storage operation. Storage operation. And fourth one is output operation. Output operation. So girls, what is input operation? One by one I will write on the board what is how to define input operation in very simple words. Then one by one I will describe it. Clear? What is input operation? A computer is a data processing machine. Users enter data and instructions into the computer through keyboard, mouse. It can be also provide to the computer from storage device such as hard disk, CD, USB memory card. The input or input data, instructions or information are stored the information in memory for future processing. Clear? And what is processing operation? Microprocessors process the data according to the instruction given to it. Then the microprocessors store the data in the registers, instruction registers. Clear? Then the control unit decode the instructions to find out which operations is to be performed. Clear? After decoding the instruction, it sends the signals to the parts of the computer to execute it. I hope you guys understand it. Next is, what is storage operation? The results produced after processing the stores in the memory before they sent to the output device or permanent store device like hard disk. Clear? The next topic is the next point is output operation. The result of data processing stored the memory must be output so they can be seen by the users. Clear? Then the control unit display the results on the monitor or it prints it into the printer in the form of hard copy. Clear? The results can also be saved in the storage device such as hard disk for the use in the further process or for the use in future. Clear? Now I will write these small instructions for you on the board. Clear? I am removing this. What is input operation? So write what is input operation. I am writing here computer puts the information in data processing machine. Data processing machine. That users enter information. Users enter information. Clear? Users, how it can be enter information through keyboard or mouse. Clear? Through what? Through keyboard and mouse. Clear, girls? A computer is a data processing machine. Users enter the data and instructions into the computer through keyboard and mouse. It can also be provided to the computer from a storage device such as hard disk, CD, USB memory. The input device or instructions are stores the memory for the future processing. Clear, girls? Now, next one is output device. Processing operation. Input operation के बाद processing operation. Processing operation. What are processing operation? Microprocessors process the data and store it in instruction register. Clear? Microprocessor process the data and store it in instruction register. Clear? Next, then the control decode the instructions. Next information for you girls. Then the control unit decode the instructions. Decode the instruction or information. To find out which operation is to be performed. To find out which operation is to be performed. Clear? Then after decoding the information, it sends signals to the parts of the computer to execute it. Clear? Then after decoding the information, it sends signals to the other parts. Other part of the computer for execute it. write down it. Next one is storage operation. What is storage operation? I'm writing here. Storage operation. So what is storage operation? The result produced after processing the stores after the processing and stores in memory before they send to the output device or permanent storage device like hard disk. So the results produced after processing, produced after processing and stores in memory, clear, before they send the information to the output device. Send information to the output device. Clear? Now next one is output operations. What are output operations? Output operation. What are output operations? The control unit displays the result on the monitor or prints it on the printer. Clear? Control unit displays the results. Control unit displays the results on monitor. Or print into the printer. This type of output is called hard information, hard copy, and this type of information, displayed information, is soft copy information. Clear, girls? I hope you all girls are getting my points. Thank you, girls. Stay healthy, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.